Hello and welcome everyone to Variety Stick 2, and we back again for another video. Unfortunately, in this video I'm supposed to do hard reset, show you step by step how to factory reset the phone from the recovery menu in case if you have a password, PIN, pattern and you're not able to unlock the device. So without any further ado, let's find out. Now, I've done big research, contacting Nokia, going online and search just to figure out how you do hard reset for the HMD Vibe, and nobody gives you the answer. Nokia says you have to go to the phone itself on the settings and do factory reset from there. But now, if I have a password or PIN pattern, how am I going to unlock the phone? If somebody actually took your phone and changed the password and you don't have access to this password, that means you have literally to trash your phone. It's going to become completely junk and you're going to waste every single penny you spend on the device, unfortunately. Now I'm going to ask kindly, if someone know the way to do it, to leave a comment. Just tell me, maybe somebody else know more than I know about how you go to the reboot menu and do the factory reset from there. I would highly appreciate it. The only things I've done on the phone, I try actually to go to certain menu on the device, and I don't understand why they have this from the first place. I have already shut the phone off, and then I press two keys together, the power and the volume down, holding on both two keys. It's going to take me to a specific menu, and let me show you this menu. Just hold in these two keys and the phone immediately take you to this. Now it has a start, which is nice. Go in the volume down and then restart bootloader. So that means this is the bootloader. But if you press the power key, it's going to restart and take you again to the same menu. And they have one more option to power off the device. Technically, the phone doesn't have any way to factory reset from the boot menu or the recovery menu, which is absolutely ridiculous. And I don't understand why a company makes a phone like this and then they don't even open the bootloader for the people in case of something like this happens. Let me know what you think about this in the comment below. If you have any way to help me out, leave it in a comment. I will highly appreciate it. I will make another video if I find a way to hard reset this device. Till that time, thank you so much everyone for watching. We'll talk to you in another video.